Introducing the 2025 Seat Ibiza 1.0 TSI 115 horsepower FR in sleek grey. This hatchback comes loaded with features like air conditioning, cruise control, and centralized locking for your convenience and safety. With multiple airbags, lane departure warning, and collision avoidance braking, you can have peace of mind on the road. Stylish privacy glass adds a touch of sophistication to this modern vehicle. And with a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer servicing, and comprehensive warranty, you can drive with confidence. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information on this efficient and reliable car today.